Sharing happiness. Many people are staying home more now. They are helping to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Some people may feel sad or scared. People are sharing happiness to help others feel better. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. Some people are putting lights onto their homes. People are putting lights onto their trees, too. Others see the bright lights at night. The lights can help others feel better. Some people play musical instruments on balconies, on porches, and in their yards. Others in the neighborhoods can listen to the music. They may sing or dance in their yards. The music can help others feel better. Some people are making chalk art to share happiness. People draw with chalk on sidewalks and driveways. They write happy messages too. Others see the chalk art. The chalk art can help them feel better. Some people are putting teddy bears into their windows. Others walk through the neighborhoods. They look for the teddy bears in the windows. They count the teddy bears they see. The teddy bears can help others feel better. Some people are painting pictures of rainbows. They put the pictures into their windows. The pictures are colorful. Others see the pictures. The colorful pictures can help them feel better. Many people are staying home more now. They are not going to restaurants, movie theaters, schools, or playgrounds. People may feel sad about missing their friends. People may feel scared about the coronavirus. Sharing happiness can help others feel better. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. They are sharing happiness with lights, music, chalk art, teddy bears, and pictures. What can you do to share happiness? When I've been going out on my walks or riding my bike, I've been seeing a lot of chalk art on the sidewalk for people writing happy notes and colorful pictures to help brighten people's day. It's very nice to see. So what was this all about? It was about the coronavirus. The coronavirus is a new illness. People want to stop the spread of the coronavirus. They are helping to stay home to help stop the spread. The coronavirus makes some people very sick. It spreads quickly from person to person. So this was the main idea in the story, was the coronavirus is going on, but how could we make people feel happy during this time? We can make them feel happy by playing music or drawing happy pictures on the sidewalk with chalk, or putting lights on our house. There's lots of different things we can make people feel happy by. Where was the story taking place? In your own neighborhood. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. A neighborhood is a community. People live near each other in neighborhoods. A neighborhood may have houses, apartment buildings, trees, sidewalks, and streets.